Never overlook thumbnails. Thumbnails is one of the most critical and powerful elements in ranking your content and getting views on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you the psychology or the do's and don'ts in making powerful, clickable thumbnails. Get this. The first thing that makes anybody to click on your video is your thumbnail. So you don't want to mess up the thumbnail. The first thing you want to get right, even before you do a good video, is your thumbnail. Let's get into the video. So guys, before we get started, please make sure you hit the subscribe button to support the team behind this channel brand. We're doing our best to create the best content and value for you. Please make sure you support us by clicking the subscribe button below. Also, don't forget to comment with anything that you feel like you've left behind in this video. Finally, don't forget to hit the bell notification so you're notified of any of our future videos. Fortunate for us guys, the free tools out there we can use to make amazing thumbnails. But we are not going to look at these tools because they're simple to use like Canva. You can easily learn Canva in a few hours and know how to make incredible thumbnails for your video. So in this video, we are not going to go through the exact step-by-step on how to make thumbnails on Canva or Snapper or any other software outside there. In this particular video, I'm going to show you the main tricks and tools you're going to use when making your thumbnails so that people can click on it and view your videos. So guys, I'm here on my YouTube account and I just want to show you why some videos always people watch more than others. Even before you look at the video, the first thing that somebody always look at, me and you, everybody included on YouTube, is the thumbnail. Now, most music videos will always just have the musician on the thumbnail because the musician is known, probably always they have some followership and viewership and subscribers, so it's easy for musicians just to use their faces on their music video. But for you and me who are probably beginning on YouTube, what you want to do is we always want to have your face and maybe some words to entice your viewers so that they can click on your thumbnail and go and watch your video. Now, there's this one specific rule of thumb you have to use on your YouTube thumbnails. First thing you want to do, always make sure you have words on the left side of your thumbnails and your image on the right side of your thumbnail. So the image should be on the right while the words should be on the left. This is a general rule of thumb that every YouTuber is using. Don't try to go against the grain. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. It's working outside there for everybody, and so don't try to be so much unique. Just follow what's already working. Why do you want to invent something new that you have to test and test and test before you know whether it's working or not? Put your face on the right, put your words on the left. That is the first most critical and important thing you have to know in all your thumbnails. When I learned this on making my thumbnails, my videos of course shorter. All right, that's the first thing. The next thing you want to do, of course, you want to make crazy faces. Now, if you look at, for example, this is Nick Nimin's channel and talk about YouTube video tips and the likes. Now, Nick Nimin almost now has 1 million subscribers. At the time of producing this video, he has over 823,000 subscribers, and all his videos, even the top ranked videos on his channel, have his face on the right and the words on the left. Okay, now another thing you want to note about Nick Nimin's videos is he always have some funny faces on his video, and this thing has worked for several people and continue to work for several people. Have some funny face, do some crazy face, because people just like it when you do a little bit of crazy things. Don't just have some normal you face. You can have some spectacles to add on. You can wear some spectacles, you can wear some makeup, you can do some hat, you can do some crazy eye rolls or faces, or you can do your mouth on whatever direction. Just do some crazy faces. If you go on YouTube right now, for all the videos that are working on your channel, you realize people are doing crazy faces. So do crazy faces on your thumbnails. That is the second thing. Now, the third thing you want to do, you want to add this one trick. Always add arrows or pointers. If you look at my YouTube feeds here, this particular video has this amazing thumbnail. Look at it. This video has an arrow pointing to the direction that the transformation this person has had. This is tips on dieting and bulking. You can see there's an arrow pointing from before and after. Arrows work magic. Use arrows, use pointers. You can even use cycles. These things work magic on YouTube. That is the third tip. Use arrows, use cycles, point directions. Even if you're doing faces, you can also point direction using your finger. It's just a good way to, of course, lead people to a particular direction or thinking you want them to do. People, for some reason, psychologically like to point or to follow direction. So give them some direction on your thumbnail. This will also increase your click-through rates and viewership. Now, I want to get into this channel and see if there are any other arrows that they have used. You can see this video has over 3.3 million views in the last 1 year. 3.3 million views, that's quite a number of views because they probably have very good enticing thumbnails. Yeah, I'm just going to click on their videos. They have 4.56 million subscribers at the time of producing this video, and here we are guys. This is what I'm talking about. You can see they have arrows and X's and marks in almost all their thumbnails here. Look at this arrows, there's an X here, there's a tick here, there's pointers and pointers after pointers. These pointers work magic. And look at the views, guys. This one has 1.3 million views, 2.2 million views, 1.9 million views. That is what I'm talking about. Of course, transformational videos are epic. They're cool. People love to watch transformational videos. But the point here is use arrows, use pointers, use cycles, use sticks, use marks. You can even point with your finger or your hand in whatever direction that you want. That is point number 3. Now, the final point here is when you're using your words on your thumbnail, make sure that those words are intriguing and captivating words. You don't just want to use normal words on your thumbnail. If you're going to use words, please make sure those words are intriguing, captivating, asking some questions. In point with asking some questions, you can also use question marks. All right, guys, so that is what I had as far as psychology of thumbnails is concerned. We've tackled 4 main points. The first one, always have your words on the left and your face on the right. The second one, make some faces, use some props. For example, you can wear a hat, you can do some crazy face, you can do your mouth, you can roll your eyes, you can point. Now, the third one is use pointers and arrows, guys. This is so critical. Use some arrows, some pointers, some circles, some ticks on your thumbnails. And the last one I've said, make sure your words are intriguing, captivating, making us want to click or want to know more in your thumbnails. Now, these are the 4 points I had on this video, guys. Of course, there are several other things you want to know in and around making thumbnails, and you can of course watch these videos on YouTube. Now, I hope you've gotten some content from this video, and if you have, guys, again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really helps us and the team to rank on YouTube and to make more people watch these videos. Also, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you're notified of any of our future videos. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and if you want to know more on how to do YouTube videos, please make sure you watch this video right here, right now. Click on it and watch it.